It's impossible to say just how many people have been poisoned by the Mexican sewage crisis, but two doctors in Imperial Beach are now connecting the dots and sounding the alarm.
There's that correlation of you have sewage in the water, people are getting sick. So we actually showed that correlation. The graph is great. It goes up when the numbers of the stool in the water, same with the people with symptoms.
Doctors Kimberly and Matt Dixon operate an urgent care clinic near ground zero of the sewage crisis. After a huge spike in sickness during Tropical Storm Hillary, they decided to do the math. They found a direct correlation between the amount of sewage and the number of people getting sick.
The amount of people getting sick is directly correlated with the amount of runoff and sewage in our water.
We're seeing GI illness, diarrhea and vomiting, asthma. We're seeing soft tissue infections of the skin, so cellulitis and abscesses. And a lot of those patients aren't hospitalized with those symptoms, but we're seeing them here.
And it's not only in the water. We now know it's also permeating the land and the air down here. A trifecta of toxic waste poisoning people every single day.
It truly is a crime. And you know, I really feel that we are going to be the next Flint, Michigan. I think there is a health crisis, and we need the government to come in and pay some attention to this health crisis.
With two medical doctors now keeping track at the local level, they hope this new information will be critical for decision makers at higher levels.
That's what we're here to say today, is we now know why they're getting sick. Our graph shows that there's increased sewage, increased illness. So we're hitting the panic button. We're saying this is the alarm. Everybody needs to pay attention. People in our community are getting sick because of the sewage, and we're being ignored.
After more than 40 years of being Tijuana's dumping ground, it is nastier than ever before. Now that the sewage plants are broken on both sides of the border, toxic waste is off the charts, and a wet winter is headed our way.
The big concern is what's going to happen next. The rainy season's coming again. We're going to have a lot more runoff. The infrastructure down through the Tijuana Valley, Tijuana River Valley is non-existent now. Pipes have broken, the system there is the pump stations are not working. So we're going to get more exposure with more sick people.
We are suffering, our community is suffering with illness. They know it's out there, and nobody has stepped in to help fix it. It's leadership and money. That's what we need right now.